Hey everyone, it's Adrian here, back with Redwater Dodge, the home of Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. Some about Rig Ready Rams, guys. In our new trucks, we have Gifler right here. A lime green wrapped 2026 2500, sorry, mega cab diesel, guys. So this truck is, as I mentioned, it is a wrap. So if you don't like this color, we can peel it off. It is a brilliant black paint job, and it is a night edition. So it's all blacked out underneath. So big benefit of the wrap trucks, guys, is it protects the paint for years to come. The wrap usually lasts about 4 or 5 years too, so if you do take care of it, it could go longer as well. I would say 3M it, that's always a good thing, but right now you're good, but if you do get any rock chips, you're gonna get annoyed. But guys, so again, right up front, so we got the 6.7 high output Cummins, the projector style quad headlights, Ram sonar sensors with parking sensors, of course, for our cross path detection, our advanced braking, and our adaptive cruise control. Fog lights, of course, dual steering stabilizers up front, so this truck still drives like a normal, non-lifted truck. 5-inch lift kit, guys, with a nice upgraded shocks and springs and the arms and all that. 37-inch Nitto tires, 22-inch gloss black rims. We have trailer tow package with the mirrors and blind spot monitoring. 12-inch display. It does have a power sunroof. We have Alpine audio, heated and cooled seats. This one is a level 1 plus, so it does give us the dual wireless charging, auxiliary switches. And coming in the back, as I mentioned, it is a mega cab, so it is a full size, well, larger than class actually. So you have the whole extra half foot of space in the box, which you can fold the seats down and have it flat, or you can recline them. High mount review camera. We do have auto level rear suspension, sorry. 14-inch wide Trigger Industries Rig Ready Rams flaps, MBRP Blackout exhaust tips, blacked out taillights. This truck, guys, we just went to the nines. We wrapped it, tinted it, lifted it. Everything you can do to a truck to make it a one-time or a one-off show truck is, it's right here, guys. Fifth wheel prep, light package, debadged, of course. We got the easy step there. This thing is massive. And it's bright as heck. We also put the fender flares on it for us. Full-size center console. We've got power options all around. Full digital dash. Tons and tons of options on this truck, guys, and just look at it. It is so bright, so big. You're definitely gonna be the only one around with this thing. Only here at Redwater Dodge, guys. So for more information, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.